Well, hello and welcome back. Thanks for coming back. Where are we, is what you're wondering. Well, we're in the grounds of the Dionysos Central Hotel in downtown Paphos, and as promised, this is a bit of a scoop. We've snuck in the rear entrance, if you understand me, and what's going on? Well, they have remodelled the pool and that little bit, and it's all been retiled. And then just over yonder is the most beautiful woman in the world, and of course her name is Miss Krasivia Labouf. And, well, she's doing a bit of monkeying around, shall we say. Let's go and see what she has actually got to say.
Hello, everybody. I will be a bit loud down because we're going to be arrested. How nice to see you again and again.
And again. So, like I say, here we are, Miss Andrea, Miss Flora. You're wondering what's going on in the downtown Dionysos Central Hotel? Well, not a lot, but they are remodelling the area, and there's a bit of painting been going on, and there's a bit of glass balconing been going on upstairs up there yonder, as you can see. Right, come on, Krasivia Labouf.
What I believe, it's not happening much on the building, but they're giving much more attention to the pool area. And as I understand, the pool has been renovated.
Yes, and to be honest, when it's all finished, it's going to look quite nice because it was starting to look that little bit scruffy. Now, I'm going to take you up here because we understand that there's a great raised terrace up here, and it's going to give you a view that is quite simply to die for. It's a view that's going to take your breath away. Have a look at that. So this is the raised terraced area on the front of the Dionysos Central Hotel, and you can come up here and sunbathe, mosey on down the blue Mediterranean Sea, and ponder whether you should go to the Donna Express or the Pizza Hut. And while you're pondering, of course, you can pop into Cafe Nero and have a nice coffee, that's for sure. Krasivia?
And I like the view from over here because you, as I said before, this view looking like whole world was presented just to you.
It is indeed. There we go. That's the view that Krasivia Labouf is on about. Have a look at that. It really doesn't get much better. That's the Paphos Promenade, and of course there's a big shiny thing glistening across the blue Mediterranean Sea as it gets ready to start on its descent off to downtown Cato, Australia. But don't worry, it'll come back first thing in the morning and cook us all over again. So if you're looking for a great hotel, as the name suggests, it's very central indeed, and that's what you get to see over there. That is the back entrance over there to Bar Street. As you go out the main entrance of the hotel, you take a right and you go up, then you take a left and you're actually on Bar Street. If you come out the front entrance and take a left, you go straight down to the promenade, past Mavrius Leather, past Tea for Two, and straight on to the downtown Paphos Promenade. And Krasivia Labouf is dancing.
Ho, 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 ho.
There we are. I think she thinks she's Santa's little helper. Ho, 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 ho. Like Krasivia
No,
Labouf.
I'm like a Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho.
Right, stick with us. We're going to take you through the restaurant area over there. It's one of our favourite restaurants, by the way. That is the La Place La Royale, and there it is over there. And as tradition goes, we'll follow the rear end.
We are missing it, to be honest. We're really missing it, because every second or third day we would be visiting this very royal restaurant for a quick snack. The food was very nice, the service quite quick, and the atmosphere and the view and the prices are quite loyal.
Yes, indeed. It is one of our favourite restaurants indeed. As many of our subscribers, our family members understand, we often can be found in there at lunchtime and in the evening time as well. So let's let you feast your eyes on the pool area that's slowly but surely coming to fruition. New steps getting put in, as you can see. I think it's going to be very nice indeed when it's all finished, and they've been monkeyed around with some of the stone walls. And there's the stairs that take you up to the raised terrace as we were standing before, right up there, and that's the blue Mediterranean Sea. Now, stick with us. Let's go that way, Krasivia.
And I would say, I know that the furniture cost quite a lot of money, because you have to buy the same armchairs, the same sunbeds, all the same, and it gets damaged because people use it somehow. On the rule, it's not mine, I can use however I want. But I would, why did I say I started this task? Because I would say that these areas, if anything, need a very nice furniture. On that floor where we were now, I would do a little restaurant, and around those tables with the chairs, I would put the lovely pots with the big flowers. Would be amazing.
There we go. Right. In the future, some people understand and some people know there is a plan afoot. In a couple of years, when retirement comes, I'll have nothing else to do, so we are planning on opening a Marika and Me lounge bar bistro, isn't it? Anyway, as we just go, let's follow the rear end of watching Grisivy LeBouf as she sneaks through.
Let me see if I can sneak through this. Actually,
Breathe in, Grisivy. Breathe in. There we go. Right. Let's get through. So this is now the terraced area in front of the La Place La Royale, and it's got an enclosed area, and then in the summer, of course, and in the evenings you get to sit out here on tables and chairs. And as you see, it's got that slightly raised, elevated position above the road, so of course you don't get drowned in car fumes, but you get a great view yet again straight down to the blue Mediterranean Sea. And of course that's the Cape of Paphos Promenade, a truly spectacular place to come, and a great place, and people like to come back over and over again. That is for sure. Now, you see, as a little special treat, what about if we go for a walk down a little pathway and take the people to the blue Mediterranean Sea?
Of course.
You think?
Yes.
Yes. So we're looking forward to this restaurant reopening, and we really are missing it because, as Grisivy's just told you, we tend to come here once, if not twice, for lunch, and normally we come here once or twice for an evening meal as well. The food is absolutely superb, and the prices, to be honest, are very reasonable indeed. It's just off the Cape of Paphos Promenade, so the prices are a little bit more manageable, shall we say. Right, let's get ready to cross the road to give you a bearing point of where we are. That is Costa Coffee, one of the greatest coffee shops in downtown Cape of Paphos. And then this down here is our favourite little pathway right across the Dionysos Hotel, and it takes you straight down to the blue Mediterranean Sea. So stick with us, and that's what we're going to show you, and that's where the video is going to come to end, and that's where Grisivy LeBouf is going to say thanks for watching. Yes, Grisivy?
Yes, of course, but I'm still thinking about how, if it was my place, how would I rearrange it for the people to come and enjoy and never want to go anywhere else.
Well, we could always chain them to the chairs and the tables. That's a good plan, isn't it? So, like I say, in about 2 to 3 years, the plan is that we're going to retire. We may stay in Paphos, or we may go on our Greek island tours, but somewhere on our travels, we believe we're going to find that perfect place, and we're going to open a bistro bar. It's obviously going to be called Marika and Me. The prices are going to be sensible, by the way. We're not trying to rip people off, and we hope that the people who like to watch us, if they happen to go to that particular place on their holidays, might pop in and perhaps say hello and appear in a video, and you never know, buy a Nigel Big Guns or an so sweet Caroline cocktail, or perhaps a Dame Anne special, or perhaps a JJ tonic. Grisivy?
Well, of course, we will have all for our dearest family in order to come again and again and enjoy the life again and again.
Right, stick with us. That spectacular view that's been promised is on its way. That's the coastline to the rear of the Annabelle Hotel, isn't it? So on our left-hand side is the Annabelle Hotel. So this is the last hotel on the coastal pathway before you actually join the Cape of Paphos Promenade. And it's a beautiful place to come for your holidays, as is the whole of Paphos, to be honest. Look at the view. Feast your eyes and digest. I don't think that it can get much better than that.
And I can't believe it. It looks like a lakiest lakes of all the lakiest lakes in the world.
It does indeed.
This time of the year, people, I can't believe it. Unimaginable, terrific, wonderful, amazing, Now all my words finished. My English is gone. I'm afraid now the only thing I can manage to say is thanks for watching. We're loving you to bits. And please don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses. And many kisses. Bye-bye.
We're going to leave you with a truly spectacular view. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, if you really like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe. Why not come back for a little bit more of our madness? And if you really want to watch the channel grow and go off to new places, please consider going through to our About page, where you might consider buying us a coffee or two. And as usual, the monkey is off, and she's going for a bit of monkeying around, that's for sure. So get yourself on a big bird or a canoe.
And start paddling like crazy, because we all are waiting just for you.
Thanks for watching.